easy and beautiful technique of painting in which we use one brush with two different colors and achieve the shading and highlighting in just one stroke. It gives some of the most interesting combinations, especially when you have different colors on the brush. This method lets you blend, shade, base coat and highlight all in one stroke and hence makes painting quick and easy. It is perfect for anyone to try, especially a beginner, and it's so versatile that decorative artists of any skill level will enjoy its speed and simplicity. No need any formal art training or even artistic ability to create beautiful masterpieces on wood, canvas, fabric or any medium. This technique does require practice and more practice. In this workshop, I have demonstrated this technique of painting and the participants loved and enjoyed it very much. We have used good quality materials from trusted brand Faber Castell.
We have enjoyed a lot. There were different types of paintings. The paintings were very easy for children. I have interest in art, that is why I came here. And today we have learned one stroke.
बहुत अच्छा किया और मुझे पेंटिंग करना सिखाया और पेंटिंग इज वेरी वेरी इजी.
It was very amazing. I got to learn many new things in that, and I would love to come again here. And the many things were here which I learned first time. Many things were which I saw first time, and it's an amazing workshop. Everyone should come here and try the things which the ma'am tell us.